Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a nice turkey chili. This will be great for the cold weather here in January. So we're going to go with our onions first, sweat those down a little bit. Cook these down for a few minutes and then we'll add our garlic. And we've got a spice mixture that you can check out the specifics on the recipe. Got our turkey, our beans, tomato paste, a little water, and a little bit of our tomatoes and their juice. You could also use a little bit of stock in this if you need to. Nice pinch of salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Alright, so we'll let these cook down for just a couple of minutes before we add our garlic. After we add our garlic and it cooks down a little bit, that's when we'll hit it with our spice mixture here. It's got some chili flake and some dried herbs. Then we'll hit it with a little bit of tomato paste. Mix all that together, go in with our tomatoes and their juice, then the water, the beans, and the turkey. Then you put it on the back burner, bring it to a boil, and then let it simmer down. You can forget about it or even put this in a slow cooker and let it cook for a long time. As always with soups, stews, things like that, the longer you have to let them go, the better. And things like that are actually even better after they're refrigerated and you pull them out the next day and reheat them. They've had a chance for those flavors to kind of come together. So let that go just a couple more minutes. Alright, so now we're ready to go in with our garlic. Hit with our spices. Stir this in. Now we want a good heaping tablespoon of our tomato paste. Stir that in. Alright, it's going to give you a nice, deep, bold tomato flavor. Tomato paste is one of my top 5 ingredients to elevate your cooking. Now we're going to go in with our tomatoes and their juice. These are whole tomatoes, but we'll crush them up with the back of our spoon. And as they cook, they'll break down even more. I'm going to add water. Then I'm going to add equal part chicken stock. Go in with our beans. And our turkey. Kind of break your turkey apart, and as it cooks it'll crumble even better. Get it started. Season this one more time. Nice pinch of salt. A bit of fresh cracked black pepper. Transfer this to another burner. Turn the heat on high to bring it up to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, reduce it to a simmer and we'll let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. And we'll show you the finished product in just a little bit.